Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deberu, and in today's video we're gonna have a look to what is gravity on Clickbank and how does it work. Hey guys, and like I mentioned before, in today's video we're gonna have a look to what is gravity on Clickbank and how does it work. So let's jump to first slide straight away and let's have a look what Clickbank actually is, if you are not familiar of. So Clickbank is one of the leading online marketplace for digital products. So if you don't know what a digital product is, so we have two different products. So one is physical and one is a digital. So physical product, it would be an e-commerce. Let's say that you buy an iPhone, let's say, so, and you get that phone to your home. But a digital product, it could be something like how to grow your Instagram account, and you have a step-by-step video showing you and teaching you how to do that with different tactics, right? So basically any type of affiliate product that you want to promote can be found here. Let's say the majority of them are on Clickbank. But you have other marketplaces where you can find digital products as well. But this could be a different topic for another video. You can join Clickbank absolutely for free by creating your account on their website. So you're gonna go to www.clickbank.com, and on the right corner on the top, you're gonna create your account. Let's have a look to how to choose a product to promote on Clickbank Marketplace. So the topic of today's video is gravity, and this is the part. So the first number to have a look, which gives you a good indicator if the product is selling, is gravity number. I would say a minimum of gravity 30, but I would prefer a gravity of 50 if possible, because it's telling you that the product is selling. So in other words, Clickbank is telling you how well this specific product is selling on the platform, which means that the product converts. So higher the gravity number, more this specific product is selling. So let's have a look to the last explanation. So grav, shortly for gravity, performance statics. This number represents a unique calculation by Clickbank that takes into account the number of different affiliates who earned a commission by promoting this product over the past 12 weeks. So what that means, so let's have a look to the screenshot below where the gravity is 70. So that means that 70 affiliates earned a commission over the past 12 weeks. So this is the average of 12 weeks, how many affiliates earned at least one commission. So basically when you are inside the Clickbank dashboard and you are searching for products to promote, the best is to search by gravity number, where you're gonna get the top search, which is gonna mean that that product is selling the most within that category, or maybe a subcategory, depends how you selected the search. But we're gonna have a look to a couple examples later on inside the Clickbank. So let's go to the last slide, which I just want to point out three more informations about the product statistic. So other things I would look into when choosing products to promote. So the first one we said, it is gravity, which tells you how much is selling. I would recommend you to have a look at digital products that have higher commission percentages, like 50 to 70% or even higher. So higher the commission, more you're gonna earn. Another important metric that you need to look at is the average dollar per sale for the particular product. So let's have a look what that means. So this average dollar per sale can be from one initial front product or products that have upsells and downsells after the initial front sale, which gives you a higher profit percentage per one sale you generate, which is pretty good. So bigger the average dollar per sale, more money you're gonna get. And in the end, I would like to check these two metrics: average rebill total and average percent per rebill, from which you will have an understanding how much you will earning per month from recurring commissions. So some products have not just the initial sale and you get the percentage from that sale, but some products have even the recurring commission. So that means that the customer will pay every single month an amount of dollars from which months you're gonna make some percentage, which is pretty good. So hopefully right now you know exactly what gravity on Clickbank is, which was the main topic for today's tutorial. And now let's jump to Clickbank and let's have a look to a couple examples. Alright guys, so here we are inside the Clickbank, and that's the marketplace dashboard. And here on the left side you have all the categories from you can choose from. So let's pick one and let's have a look to a couple of examples. So let's go to health and fitness. And here you have all the list of products that are inside the health and fitness category. So if you scroll down again, so here you're gonna see that you have inside this main category even subcategories. But let's go to the top, and I just want to show you how you're gonna actually search your products by gravity. So you're gonna go here, and where it says sort results by, you're gonna click it and you're gonna choose gravity, and it's gonna populate the products from top to bottom, which means that the top product is selling the most within this category, so health and fitness. So this is Cinderella solution, and this product has a gravity of 421, which is pretty good. So that means that 421 affiliates earned a commission in the past 12 weeks. And this number is telling us that this product converts and is selling. So let's have a look to the second one, which have a gravity of 314, and then we have 169, and then 121, and you just go and go and go. And the other metrics that I just mentioned before are average dollar per sale. So that's mean that if you generate one sale, you're gonna get paid $35.56. So that's together with an initial sale and the upsells and downsells they have. So the average percent per sale, it's 83%. And the second one is its average review total, which is $4.49, which is not that high. And average percent per review, it's 21%, which is not that high as well. And here below you can have a look if the product has a recurring billing, which it's gonna tell you with this icon. And this orange arrow, it's telling you that this product has downsells and upsells. Alright guys, so that would be everything for today's video. So hopefully you know what gravity in Clickbank means, and now you know how to actually search by products by gravity and see which products are selling the most. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.